Do you think the sound of knuckle cracking comes from bone friction? Actually, it doesn't. The popping sound occurs due to the rapid formation and collapse of gas bubbles in the synovial fluid within your joints, a process called cavitation. When you stretch or pull your knuckles, it creates negative pressure in the joint space. This pressure drop allows dissolved gases, mainly nitrogen, along with oxygen and carbon dioxide, to form bubbles. When these bubbles burst, they produce the familiar cracking sound. Fascinating, isn't it? For more such interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe to this channel.